Hey everybody, Neil Malik with Knack Training, bringing you another Everyday Office video. And in today's video, I want to show you how to sort a list of information by the color of the records. So in yesterday's video, if you want to check out the link over here to the side, I showed you how to create a simple list of all of the entries, the unique entries in a list like this. So you can see here I made a little drop-down menu with the unique soda companies that were in this data, and then use conditional formatting to highlight things like the Dr. Pepper Snapple group in yellow when it was the matching entry, or if I switch over to PepsiCo, when that's the matching entry, those entries turn yellow. So if you want to see how to do that, click the link over on the side and watch that and then come back. But now the question is, once I've done that, would it be possible to take all of the entries that match this color coding and bring them up to the top instantly? And it's actually very easy to do here. So I go up here to the Data tab at the top of the screen, and I'm not looking for sort A to Z nor sorting Z to A, because that would recognize the fact that I was trying to sort based off the value that's in a specific cell, but I'm interested in the color of that cell. So I'm here on cell F8 inside of that list of information. I go to my Data tab up here at the top of the screen, and I use the bigger sort button, which is the custom sort feature. It doesn't say the word custom on this button, but it does on the other button that you can press. And when you push that sort button, you'll see that you can sort based off the company column, but not based off the values that are in the company column, but rather the color of the cell. So by choosing cell color, then you decide whether entries that are yellow go to the top or whether entries that are yellow go to the bottom. So here I'll use the drop-down menu. As you can see, there's only one color, right? There's yellow and there's no cell color. So I'm going to say yellow is the color I'm interested in, and any yellow entries go to the top. So then I click OK. And just like that, all of those entries for PepsiCo come straight to the top. Now, if I go back to the PepsiCo drop-down menu and I switch over to, let's say, Jones Soda, for example, notice that all those PepsiCo entries go from being yellow to being clear again. I click back on this list of information, go back to the Data tab, push the big Sort button, and again, sort by the company, the cell color, yellow goes to the top, click OK. And there it is. All the Jones Soda entries go to the top of the list because they've been colorized based off of matching an entry at the top.